How to replace a DISH Trav'ler sheath cable. You will need the following tools to complete this process: a 7/16, 3/8, and 5/16 wrench, and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. On the roof, begin by removing the sheath cable connections at the turret using a 7/16 wrench. Now remove the P-clip holding the sheath cable to the elevating arms using a 5/16 wrench. Remove the P-clip from the cable and set it and the screw to the side. Loosen the 4 nuts securing the LMB guard in place. Now remove the 2 Phillips screws from the underside of the LMB and set them aside. Carefully slide the LMB out of the integrated adapter. Remove the coax cables from the LMB using a 7/16 wrench and set the LMB to the side. Remove the cable from the arm. Feed the replacement cable down the arm so that the end with the zip tie is closer to the turret. For a DISH Pro Plus LMB, connect all 3 cables to the 3 ports on the LMB in any order. For a DISH Hybrid LMB, connect the red heat shrink cable to the number 1 port and the black cable to the number 2 port on the LMB. Tighten all cables until finger tight, then use a 7/16 wrench to tighten for an additional quarter turn. Slide the LMB into the integrated adapter. Using the 2 Phillips screws, secure the LMB to the integrated adapter. Tighten the 4 nuts that secure the LMB guard in place using the 3/8 wrench. Attach the P-clip to the cable so that the zip tie is to the left of the P-clip. If you do not have a zip tie on the cable, the P-clip should be 14 inches from the end of the cable. Attach the P-clip to the elevating arm using the 5/16 screw. Connect the new cable to the ports on the turret. For a DISH Pro Plus LMB, they can be connected in any order. For a DISH Hybrid LMB, the red heat shrink cable needs to be connected to the C port and the black cable to the A port. Tighten until finger tight, then use a 7/16 wrench to tighten for a quarter turn. Congratulations, you've successfully installed your DISH sheath cable.